Good morning, everybody. I just figured I'd do a vlog today. I'm gonna try to do one at least every Monday, possibly every Thursday, but that's no guarantee right now. But I'm gonna do one every Monday. Mondays, the day everybody dreads because you gotta work another full week. Unless you're like me, who is on permanent vacation, which I don't really enjoy. Which comes down to the fact that everybody looks at my life and go, "Oh, I want your life, Steve." I can tell you right now, you don't want my life. Maybe the first 6 months was really great, yes. But about after that, it was like, oh, I would love to go back to work. Guess that's why I kind of do eBay. And kind of do these vlogs. Because it gives me something to do instead of sitting there staring at computer screens or TV screens and not doing anything with myself. Because now that my kids are older and I'm not raising them anymore, I don't really have nothing to do anymore. So, now that I'm done sounding like a little whiny person, I'm going to get this day started. We got to take down the blue, I don't know what the heck they call it. It must be a gazebo, blue gazebo, temporary gazebo from our party this weekend, which had a lot of fun at. Probably one of my more exciting parties because I was actually more involved. Went to thank my brother-in-law for helping me cook on the grill. Bobby, thanks. And I also want to thank Kenny for watching my videos. I'm guessing you'll probably watch this one, so I appreciate you always watching my videos and whoever else watches them. My 6 to 8 viewers. I appreciate all you guys. So I'm done pacing and talking and blabbing into the camera. I'm going to get this day started. Get some crap done today, bring you guys along. And yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. What are you doing here?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Freezing Mountain Dew.
Why?
Because it tastes good.
The vlog is back.
Oh, yeah, I was wondering where it went.
It's more on a weekly basis now. Ellie!
Did Samsung update something?
Why?
Because I can't call her either.
That's what I'm worrying about now. Okay. All our phones weren't working. It's kind of weird to be off the grid, not be able to talk to anybody. Nobody talk to us. It's like sets over a panic. I'm guessing the cell tower probably dropped off the network that we're connected to, or they're updating it. I don't know. It's kind of working now. I went over Wi-Fi calling to call people. Kind of funny. They're all panicking. They can't find us. We like disappeared. But we're all fine. I just need to go outside. Moving the furniture.
Whatever happened to vlogging for those other 2 days anyways?
The what?
Vlogging for the other 2 days that happened, you know? Party and all that.
My mom said. Apparently I should have been vlogging during the party. But I can't, everybody doesn't want to be in my vlog, so that's why I didn't do it.
Why don't they want me to do vlogs?
I don't know, because
oh my god,
they're camera shy?
Oh, stop it for them.
Huh?
It's good for them.
I know. That's sociability. Makes you more social.
Yeah.
I noticed I'm more social doing these.
Do you ever go out to bars yet?
I probably never will. I'm not a bar person. Why would I go to them?
Is there a way to meet people though?
It would be, but I don't like drinking and driving.
You don't drink, you just sit there.
That's kind of boring. Why everybody else gets drunk around you? Hey, come on, Allison. Show us your muscles. Look at those muscles.
Oh my god, it hurts so much from one of my arms.
Allison was bike riding yesterday, I think.
No, I don't know what I... No, yesterday it did her also. I don't know what I did. I woke up with it.
Let's go, Julia. Move these chairs. I guess I'll help. Put the camera over here.
The dog jumped on me. Gosh, my stuff. She picked it up on her own. Yeah, she's come back. Can't put your fingers in it. I'm rolling. Actually, isn't that heavy.
I don't understand what that. Why'd you say these things are so heavy?
Okay, pick it up. Carry it.
I expected that to be a lot heavier.
Okay, we need this chair moved.
I thought that was Chris's job because he was being lazy. Or does he help with the gazebo then?
Uh-huh. Muscle Allison. Ooh, look at those muscles.
Should we pull these thingies out?
Uh-huh. Gonna take down the blue gazebo. And the battery's gonna die. Story of my life. And I haven't charged any, so I know the other ones are dead, so it's gonna be a while. So, when you guys see this again, this will be gone. We got it down. Amazing. That whole thing fits in this little
We did a
care
beautiful
package.
job.
Yep, shove it in there. Squish it in.
Squish it in.
Just squish it along the whole thing. Length of that thing. It all fits, trust me. I've had it in there many times.
Why aren't you doing it?
Because I'm more fascinated watching you guys do it. I'm the cameraman. Nobody else wants to be the cameraman. I don't hear volunteers ever.
I'll do the cameraman.
Well, you're not even doing anything.
I wasn't born.
She really was. She was working today. Good job. There are a lot of bugs out here today. I've seen enough dragonflies. You think we live in a swamp or something? I saw one that was like the size of a small bird. I was going to try to record it, but as fast as it came, that's as fast as it left.
Was that you or was that me?
I think it was you.
That's a
Maybe it
Facebook
may have been
message.
me. I have some new ones. It was me. It was Chelsea. I typed on Facebook, "Can you get this?" And she wrote back, "Yeah." I'll type back good. Good to know. She's gonna be mad at me. I just wrote "good to know." Allison is a pro packer.
Not really.
Chelsea, can we make this badmouth you, Allison? What are you gonna do about that?
Oh, whack it with this entire thing.
I want to see this. We're gonna get this on video too. Go ahead, Allison. Whack her with it.
Supposed to buckle it.
Yeah, you didn't buckle it.
Brah.
Who created this thing?
The Japanese. It was created in Japan and put together in Taiwan.
Why? Why be so complicated?
Yay, Allison. Now let's see you whack her with that. Oh, she's got it up. She's gonna ram her like a...
Oh my god.
Everybody run from crazy
What?
Allison.
Get her, Icy. Get her.
Ouch. Isis is beating me up here.
Looks really light.
Okay, now put it in the hallway.
Scary dog.
Rammer. There's a yellow bench. Let's see. Oh, it's on a picnic table now. I don't see them around very often. I don't know what it's doing. Oh. Isis is freaking out. She sees them. She sees the bird. Maybe is it warm and muggy out here, or extremely warm and muggy. About to start raining. Oh, and there it is. I see this one. It's Owie!
You're tapping outside, I see.
No, I'm not. I actually came out to move the grill just before the rain was going to come, but I didn't quite make it. Maybe it's not safe underneath this.
Get out of the way of everything. Forget. Just go a little bit lower.
Great living next
Great
to
bacon.
living by a bacon factory.
Bacon great. Great bacon.
Will it stand to another beating?
Huh?
Will it stand up to another beating?
Well, we'll be over here when it happens, though.
It's raining! Look in the air. Oh, like rain! Right into my...
Oh, it starts pouring again.
Isis is hiding in her little hiding spot.
Well, for certainly was fire touched me, it was Isis's nose.
Oh my god! I thought really bee that's flying around you though.
I know it's a joke.
There's the start of the storm, and it looks like it's over already.
That was wonderful song, don't you agree? It's kind of like, I don't know. You're cruel. So cruel.
Yes, I am.
Maybe step in water. Well, no matter what, I'm gonna step in water. That was it.
I think it's over.
That wasn't much of a storm.
No, it wasn't. Oh, we got more. I hear more thunder off in the distance. But, I don't know. It ain't raining, but it's still really humid.
Oh, is there supposed to be more of a storm than that?
Didn't know. But it's supposed to get cold. It didn't get cold.
I think a little bit more cool.
Well, guys, got the house to myself. And just enjoying a day off of Monday. Still haven't painted the hallway. Still waiting to be painted. Hopefully I'll get it painted this week. Just really needs it up on the top. You can tell. So, I'm gonna let you guys go. I will get to see you guys next week, Monday. Do another vlog. So, remember, be positive, be happy. Always keep moving forward in life.